Ready to ditch your bulky wallet and embrace the convenience of contactless payments? Let's dive right into how to add your Bank of America debit or credit card to Apple Pay in just a few simple steps. First, locate the Wallet app on your iPhone's home screen. It's the one with the icon that looks like a card. Give it a tap to open. Once you're in the Wallet app, look for a plus sign. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that plus sign to begin adding your card. Now, you'll see a menu with a few options. Select the option that says debit or credit card. This will initiate the process of adding your Bank of America card. Next, your iPhone will prompt you to either scan your card or enter the details manually. If you choose to scan, position your card within the frame shown on the screen. The app will automatically capture the card number, expiration date, and cardholder name. Make sure your card is well lit and steady for the best results. If you prefer to enter the details manually, or if the scan wasn't successful, you'll be prompted to type in the card number, expiration date, and security code, also known as the CVV, which is usually found on the back of your card. Carefully enter all the information. After entering your card details, you'll be presented with Bank of America's terms and conditions. Take a moment to review them, and if you agree, tap the Agree button to proceed. For security purposes, Bank of America will need to verify your card. Choose your preferred verification method, either through a text message or email. You'll receive a code that you'll need to enter into the app. Once your card is verified, it will be added to your Apple Pay wallet. You're now ready to make contactless payments at participating merchants. Just look for the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbol at the checkout. Enjoy the convenience of paying with your iPhone.